The Wall Coaster Super Loop comes with everything you need to integrate it into an existing Extreme Stunt Kit or Super Starter Kit. Included in the Super Loop box are 2 marbles, one glow-in-the-dark and one blue, 1 piece of coaster tack, and 2 parts to the Super Loop. You'll notice that one part of the Super Loop is shaped like a J, and the other part is shaped like a C. This is important to note because the Super Loop only works well if the marble enters at the beginning of the C and exits at the end of the J. Take a look at the C part. You'll notice that one side of the C is flat and one side of the C is curved. The flat part is the part that you'll be sticking the coaster tack to. Let's talk about the C section of the Super Loop for a minute and make sure we understand exactly how to put the tack on so it sticks to the wall. First, remove the tack from the box, peel off the plastic protective covering, and remove a small ball of coaster tack. Remember, make sure it's about the size of a small pea and make it into a small ball between your fingers. Next, find the side of the C shape that has the flat surface and apply one small ball to the bottom part of the C. Make another small ball, rub it between your fingers, and apply it to about 4 to 5 inches up on the C, again the flat surface. Make another one, and apply that a couple inches above that as well. Keep going until you have about 4 or 5 pieces of tack along the outside of the C shape. Make sure, again, it's on the flat surface part. Next, let's get the J shape ready. You'll notice that on one side there's some flat surfaces. Those are the surfaces where you want to apply the tack. There's 3 spots. Again, like you've done before, pull up a small piece of tack, rub it between your fingers, and stick it on the flat surface. Do that 2 more times, so each flat surface has a small ball of tack on it. Next, prepare a straight wall coaster track, so that it will enable the marble to fly into the loop and out of the loop. This straight track is sold separately in either the Super Starter Kit 101 or the Extreme Stunt Kit number 105. Start by attaching the straight wall coaster track at a fairly steep angle as shown. You will need at least 2 pieces of 10-inch track to get enough momentum to go around the loop. Sometimes you need more, it all depends on the angle, and remember, it's all about trial and error. Next, stick the C shape right at the bottom at the end of the straight track. Push hard, push firmly, so that it stays on the wall. Now it's time to connect the J shape to the C shape to complete the super loop. It's very important that when doing so, the top of the J is just above or even with the top of the C. This will make the marble fly smoothly through the super loop. You can make really crazy tracks by buying more than one super loop and connecting the C parts together to make this snake track. As always, the wall coaster is all about using your imagination and creativity. Try separating the C part from the J part to make the marble jump across.